What is it this time? Oh!
The following is a flood watch statement. Flood watch in effect from Tuesday morning through Wednesday afternoon. What? Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Where? Northern Delaware, New Jersey, and eastern Pennsylvania, including the southern Poconos, Lehigh Valley, and Metro Philadelphia. When? From Tuesday morning through Wednesday afternoon. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details: showers and thunderstorms will increase over the area Tuesday morning and afternoon. Rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour are possible. Total rainfall of 2 to 4 inches could occur into Tuesday night. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood. You should monitor later forecast and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. At 2 p.m.,